Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to block calls on Messenger. To do that, open the Messenger first. Now once you're at the chat section, what you need to do over here is you need to tap open the person profile that you want to block. Tap open that chat person. Once you're at the conversation section, you need to tap on the eye icon on the top right corner. Tap that. And there you will have the option of block inside privacy and support. You tap that block on Messenger, block on Facebook. There's two ways how you can block someone. Once you block on Messenger, you will not be blocked on Facebook, but you will only be blocking this person on Messenger. You won't receive message or call from this person's profile anymore. You and this Facebook person will be able to see, message and call each other in shared groups unless you leave them. So to block this person, you tap on the minus icon and then tap on block. With this, you will be blocking this particular person on the Messenger. So this is how you can block calls on Messenger. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.